Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be solving NECO 2019 Mathematics Past Question, question 32. Evaluate xy plus 1 all over 2 a square multiplied by y when x is equal to minus 20, y equal to 3 and a equal to 4. A 36, b 24, c minus 24, d minus 36 and e minus 60. So we have to evaluate what? We have to evaluate this given. So we're given the expression as x times y plus 1 all over 2 multiplied by a square multiplied by y. Now we're given that x is equals to minus 20, y is equal to 3, and a is equal to 4. Now we substitute for each of these variables with the what corresponding values given to us. And that is, for x we have what? Minus 2 multiplied by y, which is 3. Minus 20, sorry, for x. Minus 20 multiplied by y, which is what? Which is 3. This is minus 20 for x. 3, then plus 1 all over 2 multiplied by a square. And a is given to us as 4. So 4 square multiplied by y again, which is what? 3. Now from here we have that what? Minus 20 times 3 will give us what? Minus 60 plus, let's put this in brackets, 1 all over 2 multiplied by 4 square will give us what? 16. 4 times 4 will give us 16. Then multiply by 3. Now let's simplify here. 2 we go here once and 2 we go into 16 what? 8 times. So I left it what? 1 times 8 times 3. And this is equal to minus 60 plus 1 times 8 times 3, which is what? 24. And so we have that minus 60 plus 24, and now to give us minus 36. So this is the answer for the evaluation of this, given that x is equal to minus 20, y is equal to 3, and a is equal to 4. So the answer is minus 36, and that is option D, minus 36. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to this channel for more past question videos.